For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you are watching News9 Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be talking about the World Health Organization's latest statement on vaccine nationalism. Now, this is the second time the World Health Organization has spoken about vaccine nationalism. So, what is vaccine nationalism? Basically, it's a term which is being used by the premier international health body about warning especially affluent countries against keeping and hoarding of COVID-19 vaccine when and if it is discovered in the future, and making it inaccessible to other poorer nations who might not be able to pay for it in pre-order deals. So this particular latest statement comes again in the backdrop of the countries like the United States and UK entering into several deals with vaccine developers, pre-ordering COVID-19 vaccines in millions of doses. And on the other hand, the poorer nations not being able to do so. So once again, the Director General has said that doing so, excluding poorer nations from getting access to COVID-19 vaccine by pre-ordering all of the world's stock, will only deepen the pandemic crisis and will not help eradicate the COVID-19 disease at all from the world. He has also had earlier warned that since our global economy is so intertwined, it won't mean that a few countries, including the affluent nations, will be safe from COVID-19 even if they have the vaccines with them. And this time around, the World Health Organization has stressed on the affluent countries to join the COVAX facility, which is being led by it. So what is COVAX facility, which the World Health Organization has talked about this time around? So the COVAX facility is the pillar of access to COVID-19 tools accelerator. So what it aims to do is it is to accelerate the development and manufacturing of COVID-19 vaccine and to guarantee that these vaccine will have fair and adequate access to every other country in the world, be it poorer nations or middle income countries. So the deadline to join COVAX facility is coming soon. It is on August 31st, and this is another reminder by the World Health Organization to the affluent nations who have not yet joined the facility to do so urgently to ensure a global cooperation on the vaccine development front. So it is also co-led by Gavi Vaccine Alliance. What does this COVAX facility do? Let's take a look at that. So it promises, first of all, doses for at least 20% of the country's population. So COVAX facility and the nations who have joined this facility, the facility will ensure that every other nation, poorer or richer, will have COVID-19 vaccine access to at least 20% of its population. It will also actively manage the portfolio of diverse vaccine candidates and the future successful candidates. Vaccines will be delivered as soon as they are available. This is also one of the promises being made, and it also promises to end the acute phase of the pandemic to ensure that the worst part of the pandemic is over, and to finally rebuild the economies by eradicating the pandemic. Currently, there are 92 poor and middle income countries which have shown interest in the COVAX facility. There are also 80 other developed nations and more financially able countries which have also joined this facility. And only 45 of these countries have allowed their names to be displayed in the public. So amongst these 45 countries which have shown public interest in COVAX facility is also the United Kingdom. However, it is not known whether United States also is interested in the COVAX facility or not, because its name does not find mention publicly. So India too finally is a part of this facility and is supposed to benefit from this facility, but this benefits can only come forth when all of the countries, the affluent ones as well, also join the global cooperation to vaccine access. So if countries like US or other affluent nations do not join the facility, then they can be in a position to take over all of the stocks of the world's COVID-19 successful vaccine, making it inaccessible to other countries. For this purpose itself, it is very important to join COVAX facility. It will only be known by August 31st which nations will join this facility and which won't. Meanwhile, you can leave your opinion in the comment section down below. Also, like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital.